And race on Flores from the outside, DG Grand Dynasty spin cycle. Leave no doubt, second last and go topless. The favorite is the early trailer. Grand Dynasty, Flores, DG down on the inside, spin cycle is racing forward by a length and a half lead, no doubt, and go topless running at the tail of the field. Passing the half-mile post, Grand Dynasty by Santulais. Flores DG is running down on the inside spin cycle. Leave no doubt, go topless, nicking down on the inside. Rounding the far turn, Grand Dynasty, DG Flores, leave no doubt, together with Go Topless on the inside spin cycle. As the action swing towards the long, nice stretch run with three runners fighting around for the lead. Lead no doubt from the outside, Go Topless down on the inside. Two runners matching the stride together. Go Topless, leave no doubt, Go Topless, leave no doubt, but Go Topless doing the better. Leave no doubt, Grand Dynasty, number 5 Flores, DG, and Spin Cycle comes last.